Look, getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning for a cars and coffee is unreal. Like, we need to change the standard on waking up early after a long work week to go to cars and coffees, man. We got to change this to like brunch and cars or something like that, man, because this is killing me. Trust me, pizza is not the first thing that I want in the morning. But, I mean, since I'm on a time schedule, I got to meet up with the guys at 7:30. We meet up at a car wash. It is what it is. That's what I got to get. So I'm going to give me some slices, throw it in the air fryer. For you guys that don't know, if you don't have an air fryer, get you an air fryer because it'll make this taste like it came fresh out the oven. People.
On road ahead.
Thank you, Waze. You like to talk when I'm about to talk. So, us car people, like I'm saying, man, we are a different breed. Here, we waiting on one more. Meeting up with my gang, my boy Rock over here to the left, my boy Will over here to my right, or just flip-flop. Y'all know who I'm talking about, but now we about to head out, man. The roads is wet. But I'm just waterless wash the car down. I'm not really gonna wash it because we gotta meet up at the spot at 8:30 and it's 7:35. We got an hour drive, so we on our way there. This right here is one of the main reasons I hate Michigan, man. Every time during the summer, we always get these orange cones, man. We always get these orange cones. There's always construction. I hate this, man. I don't know if I told y'all this since I put a little bit of miles on this car, but I believe second and third gear is my favorite gear, and this is why. Y'all hear that? That's popcorn all day. AMC theater mode. Man. Oh my gosh. Out of all these members, I think I know that one. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna have to stop the film right there because I feel like I didn't give you guys enough context. So, right here is the meetup location where we meeting up with all the Camaro members. Neutral location, most likely for people that's coming from the west side of the state and the east side of the state. So this is the location I agree for everybody to meet up at. So we just waited for a few members here. I'm just talking to a few members here. And then after that, we about to head to the Lingenfelter Collection. I know this. I don't know him. I know him. Yeah, that's Taz. I met him out on Woodward. Look at all these cars. And more coming. Fuck all that shit, bro. Look at Larry, the merch brother this shit, man. I'm doing good, man. You? This Rico car right here? Look at Rico. He finally fit 315s on his one Elite, man. Ooh, and we got a C8 that came out to join us today. Then we got Mike. Hey, Mike.
Hello, good morning.
I'm doing good. How you this morning? So, We got 30 plus Camaros with me, man. Like, I was just talking to my guys, my Camaro club members, man. As y'all can see, it's a lot of us and still people is coming in. So right now we are heading to Lingenfelter Collection. If you guys don't know or haven't been there, Lingenfelter is pretty much like one of the biggest modification shops, man. Like, I really don't have to explain because y'all should know who Lingenfelter is, based on the name alone. So we about to head there and see his collection. He got a bunch of cars, man, some exclusive ones. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me to see that. This is pretty sweet.
So it doesn't matter.
Is it all electric? Is it electric, CJ, or what?
It is.
Oh, wow.
I don't know, but that's how you tell my wife you can save $1,000.
Wow, this is sweet with the matte black. Like, is this a wrap or is this the actual color that it comes from?
It's got a crystal shifter handle.
Yeah, you can. Go for it.
Satin? Like, this the actual paint color they did?
No, this is satin black wrap.
Oh, okay. I was about to say.
It look like a wrap. It's satin black.
I'm sure she can get
I think they usually
That's
have
sweet.
the silver or the gray.
Like, look how big the rotors is on this joint.
Them 6 pistons.
On an electric car, bro?
What you think? Electric
gotta
car
be able to
crazy.
stop.
Holy crap.
I'm not gonna lie to you, this car probably burn all of our cars.
That interior is sweet, though.
Car don't play.
It's got exhaust tips.
I don't think I would do white interior, though, because I know white would get
It's probably
dirty.
hybrid. It's probably a hybrid drivetrain.
1,500 in the world, and they're 125 in the U.S. And then P2 is their 4-door pure electric, kind of like hatchback sedan. Then later this fall there'll be a P3, which is like XC60 Volvo size, so mid-size SUV, all electric. That's hybrid though. So gas motor in the front, electric in the back.
Okay.
Turbocharged, supercharged, gas motor in the front powers the front wheels. Electric motor powers the back. 620 horsepower, 740 pound-feet of torque.
Wow.
All carbon fiber body and frame.
Okay. And you said Polestar will have a dealership in Birmingham?
Yep, Birmingham.
And
Yep.
one in Farmington, too?
Polestar launched out of Volvo. They were a spin-off from Volvo.
Okay.
So we currently sell them at our Volvo store until we build. That's the electric motor.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can get. What was that?
Turbo, you said it's all carbon fiber, right?
It's a heavy girl still.
Is it
Though.
heavy still?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
you
of the
got two
battery.
motors,
Yeah,
man.
two motors.
Is that paint on there?
Yeah,
Is actual
matte.
paint?
So you can get. So the only options you get on the P1 are color. That's it. You just pick
Is
your
it still
color.
all-wheel drive?
Yeah, all-wheel
Yeah,
drive.
'cause you-
It's a rock. I mean, it's like a 3.7 0 to 60. It's a top 3 GT driving car that I've ever driven. Bridge aware leather on the inside, so bridge aware, same leather manufacturer Rolls Royce uses.
Okay.
Orvis crystal shift up, like more than half. Hop in, check it out.
Oh, yeah,
It's a great.
That's crazy.
This interior is so sweet.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
These are the G2 seats? The G3. Oh, I see it now. Oh, the carbon seat. Okay. Oh, man. The first time in the C8 sitting down. Well, second time. But it looks good. I got plenty leg room for me to be 6'1".
More aggressive than the Recaros?
This you can really handle.
They're about the same, to be honest with, as far as Recaro wise. I feel like the G, I can live with them. Some people probably can't, but the seats, because these are like the most aggressive. But coming from Recaros and these, I can deal with these seats though.
I mean,
I'm ready. Is that with active exhaust or what?
Yeah, it's all
Oh, crap. That is sweet.
I mean,
And what shocked me is that I used to hate the sound of it, but I heard it when it was quiet. Now that it's in active exhaust mode, it sounds really good. So right now we are in Lingenfelter right now. They got a bunch of simulators here. They got the C8s over there. They got a supercharged Chevy Blazer, a Trans Am, a Porsche. They got so many cars here in this collection. And there's 3 bays. So this is one bay here then that we're looking at. And then there's another bay down there with more cars. And then there's another one. Now look at this right here. This is a Camaro with the body kit, right?
Yeah. Yep. It's got the backing too and everything, which is awesome. It's got the bigger. Look how deep these lights are.
Yeah, that is sweet. Man, the body kit. This is sweet. So it's a 2011 Chevrolet Trans Am. And then he got this one here, the 2010 version Trans Am. It's a nice body style that he got on here. And then the interior matches the accent of the stripes. That's really nice. So which one y'all like? If y'all had to pick and choose, y'all like the white Trans Am version or the black one? I think I'll choose the black one because I like how the tail lights look. Just one bay. Now we're up to the second bay area. So right here next to me is a Vista Cruiser right here, and you have a 2006 GTO right here, wide body. It looks pretty nice. It's custom. They got the Ram Air 6 concept car. You know, it was a SEMA car in 2006, so that's pretty sweet there. And also, what I have just noticed behind me is this here. The first 1LE. This is a 1992 Camaro Z28 1LE, man. And look, it's only 1 of 16, 9,000 actual miles, man. So for y'all 1LE guys, enthusiasts, here you go, right here. 1 out of 116, man. And look at the whole setup here. This is in the 3rd bay. And I showed y'all like the other bay. You got Ken right here, Lingenfelter, giving autographs, which is awesome. I got my signature from him last year with the Camaro, so I really enjoyed that. And it's pretty nice to see them. They're pretty down-to-earth people, man. You gotta meet them. My camera died on me 2 times, man. So I didn't bring enough batteries, but like I was saying, is that this event is twice a year at the Lingenfelter Collection, man. You guys are in Michigan, man. Be sure to stop by here and check out his collection, man. It is very unique and one of a kind. Yeah, so if you guys enjoy this content, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.